Welcome to the informative world. Today I'm gonna teach you how to download WP Rocket latest version for free. Before going further in this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to see the latest videos updates. Friends, WP Rocket is the most popular WordPress cache plugin to speed up your WordPress websites according to Google's latest algorithms updates. Google and other search engines like Bing and Yahoo are now more focused on speed optimization of websites to provide best user experience to its user, and the best website loading speed is now a most important factor now these days. The WP Rocket is one of the best plugin to solve speed optimization issues and make your website faster. Well, this plugin costs around $49 for a single website and $99 for 3 websites, which is much costly for those who are beginners and can't afford such amount initially. We provide this plugin for free to help those people who want to start their blog/website. To get this plugin, open the link from the description. Press the download button on top right side of the page and download the plugin. After downloading, open the dashboard and go into the plugins, then press Add New. Now press Upload Plugin and select the WP Rocket 3.8 file from the folder where it has been downloaded, and click Install. After installation, go to Settings panel and click WP Rocket to configure it. Thanks for watching this video. Download link is in the description below. Like this video and subscribe to this channel now.